Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Beauty by Hammer here. In today's video I'll be showing you how to get rid of cellulite on your skin. So guys, welcome to my new subscribers. You're highly welcome. To my old subscribers, thank you guys for sticking with me. Yes, today's video I'll be showing you guys how to get rid of cellulites. We all know cellulite is not a good sight to look at, and people get disturbed about this. I know most people, they feel comfortable in that. I know people like being comfortable in their own skin. I don't mind, it's your choice. But I know majority of women, the cellulite occurs in men and women, not only just women, but we the women, we're always concerned about this cellulite appearance on the skin. So today's video I'll be covering it up, you guys, and I'm showing you guys how to get rid of it. And again, cellulite, we all know cellulite is this bumpy look on the skin. I'm going to show you the picture. You know, cellulite is not a good sight to look at. Mostly we young women that love their skin and like the slay on their skin. Cellulite is simply a change in visibility of fat beneath your skin. This occurs when the fat cell beneath your skin, swells and push against the layer of collagen fiber, and that causes the bumpy appearance you see on your skin. And this mostly is common on this on the belly, on the thigh, and the upper arm, and then also at the breast. Yeah, it does. This area is mostly the place where this cellulite is always there. And we women, we are always concerned. We don't like. As for me, I don't like it. I have it more on my bum and on my thigh. I'm not really concerned about my bum area because I always cover it up, and even though I wear bikini, I always wear the full brief. I don't wear that what do they call it, is it G-string or no, I don't wear that. I wear the cover up one, so I'm not really bothered. But the one I'm mostly bothered about is the one on my thigh, and I instantly got rid of that. Like, when you're bothered about something, you need to do a research, know how to get rid of it. When you have that power to go do a research, you're so bothered about something, you do a research about it. And I am that kind of person. When I love my skin, guys. The way I love my skin, people will be like, easy now, it's just a skin. But my skin is my precious zone. Don't terrorize. Yes, I love my skin, and when I see all these sites, all these disturbing sites on the skin, I make sure I do a research to get rid of it. I can't stand it. So I do a research, and I found out this ingredient I am going to be mentioning, it works like magic. Like, only when you are consistent. You can't just do it once and stop and say, it's not working. Consistent is the key. So consistency is the key. So you keep doing that. Do it mostly 3 times in a week, and I bet you'll see a result. And firstly, what we'll be needing for this is dry brushes, coffee, coconut oil, vinegar, and lime. These 5 ingredients, or 4 ingredients really, is the best to get rid of this. And to follow this procedure, You put the coffee inside a bowl. Teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and then 1 teaspoon of lime. Mix it to form a paste, and then rub it on top of the affected area. For this video, I'll be showing you my arm as the method of showing you where the affected area is. So I rub this in a circular motion on the affected area, rub it, and then secondly, scrub the brush on top of the skin layer. Rub, scrub, 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 scrub till you are tired. No guys, do it for 5 minutes. Scrub for 5 minutes, and then secondly, you need a cling film. Use the cling film, wrap it all over the affected area where you put the coffee paste. You wrap it all around tightly on the skin. Leave it on there for 15 minutes and wash it off with warm water, not cold water, warm water. Do this 3 times in a week. You will see a visible result, like visible results in weeks to come. Make sure you come back and thank me, unless I will fight you in your dream. Yeah, yes guys, do this procedure 3 times in a week, and I bet you will see a visible result on your skin. That is it for me on this video, and thank you guys for watching my video. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the whole notification bell, and just to tell you when I upload a video. Yeah guys, thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.